particularly like the PR side of things that Chris talks about, and what I've done is I've taken on board his strategies and his ways that he thinks that he's suggested to get some free publicity, and that's been hugely successful. I've been on the Chris Evans show on Radio 2, I have a regular slot on BBC Radio Sussex and Surrey, been featured in the Sunday People newspaper. And I've just finished filming for a BBC documentary that's out in the autumn. I'm a raving fan of Chris Kardell. I find him very, very good at communicating his point. I like where he comes from, his honesty, his openness. And I love that he really includes a lot of mindset. I'm really hot on mindset myself, and I think that is a brave way to deal with things, and I really admire him for that.
If you can grasp hold of even 25% of the things he's trying to teach you and just implement them, I'm convinced it'll have a fantastic impact on your business no matter what you do.